Racing just is started. We have Showman. Break quickly at the start. Lord Gold Pegasus is down on the inside. Fire Lady, Manila Magic, Teritun getting the white strip as they make the first turn is Carmelita. We have Pegasus by about 2 lengths. Lord Gold is right behind in second. Fire Lady is racing in third. Alongside comes Teritun. Moving up Showman. Down on the inside, Manila Magic and Carmelita. And as they swing down the back, we have Pegasus on its favorite position by about 3 lengths. And in second, now is Lord Golden. Moving up on the outside to take third is Teritun. Then here comes Manila Magic, Showman, Fire Lady, while Carmelita still racing in less. We have Pegasus maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead. Coming closer in second is Lord Gold. Manila Magic is down on the inside. Teritun is on the outside. Showman, Carmelita, while Fire Lady is still, or rather Fire Lady is racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Manila Magic. Lord Gold is on the outside. Teritun, Pegasus fading out, driving back in fourth as they swing for home. We have Manila Magic by a length and a half. Lord Gold in second. Teritun is on the outside third. Last 75 meters, we have Manila Magic, followed by Teritun in second. Lord Gold, and finally Manila Magic. Teritun, Lord Gold, Showman, Carmelita, Pegasus, and Fire Lady.
So papasok si Uno, si Pegasus.